Hey guys, this is Matt with SoundOffAudio.com. I'm going to be showing you a 19 to 25 Trail Boss. So this will apply to all the GMC and Chevy, the Silverado and Sierra crew cabs. Now, we're putting two SoloX 10s underneath the back seat of this truck with an LMI 2.5-inch seat lift kit. Now you can do forward-facing 12s as well. We've got just under 4 cubic foot net, basically a 2-inch baffle right there. Really good setup. Sub's a really tight fit, and this dude, customer's got an 8K. He's going to be putting on this thing. We rounded the edges there, nice and neat. I'll show you the passenger side. You see what it looks like from above. Side view with the factory floor mat still in place. We can add the bow tie, GMC symbol, or LEDs. If you need something like this, give me a call. Peace.